Finger bump. Good boy. Go 5. Which hand is it? Which hand is it? Nope. Yep. Good morning from rainy St. Augustine. Good day to do outside projects, right, Maureen? It's going to rain all day. All right, it's decided. Augustus, you stay here, protect the sheep mouse with the purple face, and watch Maureen. Make sure she doesn't get in any trouble. Hey, told you to watch it. Supposed to watch him. Sheep and mouse are very rare. Should be very careful.
I bet our cushions are soaked. Hopefully they're still there though.
Yeah, hopefully they didn't blow away.
Your little
Protection
little.
number 1. Protection number 2. Okay. I'll do that.
Okay, good luck.
She hasn't blown away. I left the throttle cover off. That's better. Got out here, and these cushions are definitely soaked. But they're all here. That's good. I made a mistake and I left the cover off the throttles. There's no electronics down there, just some control cables. So I think everything will be okay. But yeah, definitely not what I meant to do there. Let's check the rest of the cabin. Check for leaks. Oh yeah, definitely a little drop. Considering it's been raining for hours and hours straight. Oh, there too. Yeah, it is. Leaking just a bit right here. Not bad. Into the guest bedroom. Nothing on the guest bed. Looks pretty good. Look at it come out there. Wow, really coming down. Alright, same thing for master bedroom. Do see a little bit of water there. Again, not bad. Oh, yeah. When I push down on the handle, little drops coming down. Master bathroom. Let's take a look at you. Solid in here, but of course in here there's drainage. We checked all the hatches and they look pretty good. Just a little drop here and there. Outside I looked at the hardtop, looks good. Stowed away the cushions the best that I can until the storm's over. You know, in terms of wind noise and all that, it's very comfortable actually. Yeah, so I'm pleasantly surprised at how relaxing it is here. But the boat's not moving a whole lot. Could be pretty comfortable in here with during a storm like this. Of course, we're not out on the ocean or anything like that. I thought the wind might be pushing it around a little bit more, but no, it's steady. Feels nice. It's not rocking, swaying just a little bit. Feels good. Definitely get a comfortable night's sleep in a storm like this. What time is it, Maureen?
8:15.
Is it still raining?
Still raining. It's very windy.
Did it rain all day?
Rained all day.
Never stopped for a second.
No, it didn't stop. Very consistent, this rain.
What you get done today?
Made some tea.
Cool.
Yep.
Love tea.
Just been drawing.
Drawing. Can we see your drawing? Alright. Well, kind of a lazy day, huh?
Yep. Lazy day. We'll get back at it tomorrow.
Alright.